Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where we can go on a journey together to live our highest, truest, and most fulfilled version of ourselves. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also click the notification bell so you will know every time I'll post a video. Thank you very much. In today's video, since it's still spring, I am sharing with you my beautiful Kwanza cherry tree in my backyard. It's in full bloom right now with these beautiful flowers. I love it so much that I planted another cherry tree in my front yard. I'm also showing on this video a few weekend projects that my mom and I tackled. We were so proud of ourselves that we did it without the help of a professional landscaper. But first, let me tell you more about the Kwanza cherry tree. Our Kwanza cherry tree was planted about 7 years ago, or 8 years ago to be exact. But I don't know how old it was when it was planted by the landscaper. Kwanza cherry trees have a reputation for being some of the showiest trees at the National Cherry Blossom Festival with dramatic, deep pink double blossoms. And also, the trees are eye-catching year-round with leaves that emerge a rich red copper color before taking on a green shade and finally turning yellow in the fall. Cherry trees grow to be 30 to 40 feet tall with 30 to 40 foot spread and have a moderate growth rate of 12 to 24 inches per year. The only negative of this beautiful cherry tree is their lifespan is only 15 to 25 years. It's so worth it even with the short lifespan. I enjoyed looking at it the whole year round. I love it so much that I planted another one in my front yard. This is our weekend project. My mom and I tackled this because we were calling landscapers and professional gardeners. No one got back to us, so we decided to do it on our own. So here we go. We got put these stones. We have a lot of stones in our property, these big stones. So we decided put a circle there and planted this Kwanza cherry tree. And we were so proud of ourselves that we did it on our own. So this is the cherry tree we planted about a few weeks ago, 3 to 4 weeks ago. And we got the cherry tree. We bought it at the Filanowski Farms in Milford. No judging with how we planted our tree, but lots of prayers that it will grow, and we're very optimistic. We're not professionals, but this is how it looked a couple of weeks ago. It has flowers now. So excited. Can't wait till it will grow more and will look the same as our cherry tree in the backyard. So beautiful. I love Kwanza cherry trees. They're so beautiful. I can look at them for hours while sitting on my deck or by my bedroom window or my patio. It's just so beautiful, especially when they're in full blossom during spring. It's just the beauty of nature. It's just so marvelous. Besides its beauty, trees are sometimes called the lungs of the earth because they absorb pollutants through their leaves, trapping and filtering contaminants in the air like all green plants. Trees also produce oxygen. They're just amazing. Well, let's take care of our trees and nature in general. One weekend project that my mom did a couple of weeks ago was to plant a couple of pine trees in our front yard. There were hydrangeas there before. We moved it in the back and we put this pine tree to give balance in the landscaping because there are bushes on the sides and just didn't look right with the hydrangea there to give it a little bit of balance, like I said. And it looks nice. And I love pine trees. These are the 2 pine trees, both sides near our entrance of our steps to the house. We're hoping that in a couple of years we'll be much taller and it will look nicer now. And it will give, like I said, a balance in our landscaping. In here, I'm showing you another weekend project that my mom and I did. So like small place here with grass, and it was really a small area and it was hard for me to mow. So we decided to put Pebble Stones, and I think it looked really nice. Kind of gave this little area here, entrance, a different personality in a way with the stones. I love it. And Mom gave it a 2 thumbs up, so we're good. I love DIYs. It's a great feeling that you did it yourself, that you at some point thought that you can do it, but you did it. It's a beautiful feeling. And also, DIYs encourages us leaving technology alone for a period of time. We spend a substantial amount of time on phones, computers, so it's nice to be out there doing something different. And also, it gives enormous satisfaction in a way that is unlike achieving a work task. It also allowing ourselves to indulge in through a practical activity that is good for the brain and allows us to create new ideas, be creative. It increases our self-reliance. I love doing DIYs. It's kind of a new territory for me, but since my husband passed away, because I was so spoiled before, he was a real MacGyver, he did everything, fixed everything. So when he passed away, and try to fix things on my own, and I'm so proud of myself. I believe I shared it here before in one of the videos that I was able to fix our washing machine, fix a flat tire, fix the clogged sink, and other stuff. You can't believe the things that you can do if you put your mind to it. I always say, if I can do it, you can do it better. Thank you for watching. I hope you are inspired to do your own DIYs, and be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.